In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for plagiarism on Google Docs. Whether you're a student, writer, or simply someone who wants to make sure your content is authentic, this guide will walk you through the steps you need to take. First, let's start by accessing Google Drive. This is where you'll find all your documents. Once you're there, locate and open the specific document that you want to check for plagiarism. This will take you into Google Docs and give you a preview of your document, setting the stage for the steps we're about to undertake. Now that your document is open, look towards the top of your screen for the Extensions menu. Click on this menu as it will lead us to the add-ons we need. From here, let's navigate to add-ons. Once you select this, you'll see an option that says Get Add-ons. Go ahead and click on that. In the add-ons menu, you'll see a search bar. Here, we'll type in the word plagiarism. This will bring up several options specifically designed to check for plagiarism within Google Docs. Once the results populate, look for an option, often titled something akin to Check Plagiarism Online in Google Docs, and select it. Following this, you'll see an option to install the add-on. Click Install to begin the process. You might be prompted to give certain permissions. Simply click Continue to proceed. At this point, you'll need to choose the email account you'd like to associate the add-on with. Make your selection, then click Continue again. You'll also need to grant permission by clicking Allow, which will enable the add-on to function correctly with your documents. With the add-on successfully installed, return to your document in Google Docs and highlight the text you wish to check for plagiarism. Once highlighted, revisit the Extensions menu. Here, you'll find the plagiarism checking tool under the list of installed add-ons. Click on it to initiate the check. The add-on will begin scanning the selected text, looking through numerous online sources to see if any content matches. Depending on the length of the text you're checking, this might take a moment, but don't worry, the tool is very thorough and will ensure that your content is original. Once the scan is complete, you'll receive a report outlining any suspicious matches found during the check. If your text is plagiarism-free, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that your content is original, which is always a great feeling. And that's it. You've successfully checked your Google Docs document for plagiarism. This process empowers you to maintain the integrity of your writing, giving you the confidence that your work is original and authentic. Thank you for joining today's tutorial, and happy writing.